All right, guys. So this assignment for Wednesday 11/11, which we may actually do on Thursday, is adding fractions using the Cuisenaire rods. And you're going to work with a partner small group again. Remember that the brown in this assignment, always the brown, or in this with these manipulatives, they call it T for tan, I guess because there's already a blue. So T for tan, which is the dark brown rod, represents one hole. Okay, and so you'll click right here and it'll take you to the Cuisenaire manipulatives. Okay, so I've already done that and I've already opened the assignment, which I clicked right here on the blue and I opened it. And once I opened it, it's going to give me the blue submit sign, right? That's how I'm not going to share it with my teacher. I'm going to submit the document through Canvas. Okay. So here we go. Here's the first problem, which happens to be an example. I'm adding 1/4 of a brown plus 1/4 of a brown. And how many brown rods does that equal? Okay. Or what fraction of the brown rods? Either way. So let's look at the Cuisenaire rods. So I rewrote my equation because y'all know I have a bad memory. So I've got one, if one brown equals one whole, then what is 1/4 of a brown plus another 1/4 of a brown? So here's my tan, T for tan or brown, right? And then I want to know what is 1/4 plus 1/4. So now I kind of have to play with these manipulatives, which is kind of hard for me because guess where they are, right where I need to be. And I need to figure out, like, if I bring over the green, I need 4 of them to make the whole, right? Because 1/4, the fourth defines how many pieces are in a whole. So is it going to be green? Nope. I can already tell that would represent thirds, it looks like, nicely. But I don't know. It's not even thirds. So I got to get rid of that. Trash, trash, trash. I think tidy is what they call it. Oh, it tidied all of it, didn't it? Okay, there we go. So how about red? Let's pull that over. So red, if I have 4 of the red, does that equal the whole? Well, let's check it out because a minute ago I was way wrong, wasn't I? 1, 2, 3. This might be better. 3, and then one more. 4. All right. So, yay. So if one brown equals a whole, then what is 1/4 of a brown plus 1/4 of a brown? So my 1/4 of a brown would be one red. So I don't think I'm going to need all these, and I'm not going to tidy everything again because it'll get rid of it all, right? So 1/4 of a brown plus 1/4 of a brown looks to be equal to 2 reds. Or, oops, am I going to be able to show y'all that? Yeah. Or what? Well, let me see if I can grab this without losing my camera, which I don't think I'm going to be able to. But you should be able to grab the, hold on, let me see if I can grab it. Okay, I was able to grab it. So I was looking for something that was equivalent to the 2 red. And if you notice, 1 purple is equivalent to 2 reds as well. So up here, I could also put if 1 brown, which I have the 1 tan, equals 1 whole, then what is 1/4 of a brown plus 1/4 of a brown? That equals 2 reds, or I could say 1 purple. Purple. And so mathematically, what is that equivalent to? That shows me 2/4, right? The 2 reds, which is 2/4, which is also equivalent to half, right? Because it would take 2 purples to make the tan. All right, and when you screenshot it again, right, you're going to Control, Shift, and then the movie camera, and then you're going to embed it in your slide. And underneath here, I've already done that. So I grabbed it. 1/4 of a brown plus 1/4 of a brown equals 2/4 of the brown, which is 2 reds or 1 purple. And then I also gave you a little reminder about how to screenshot down here. So I hope that helps. Again, these are some fun manipulatives to kind of work with, but they also do make you think deeply. And really down at the bottom, I just kind of tried to recapture again, what did you learn? And hopefully you are learning some things about finding common denominators. So maybe I'll just add that to the bottom. Finding common, DENOMINATORS. Minators. Finding common denominators is important when adding fractions. Okay, that's super important. So maybe something along those lines about how you're thinking about finding common denominators. All right, I hope that helps and it takes care of our glitchy Wi Fi problem, hopefully. All right, talk to you soon.